Alright, today we're going to be doing a tutorial for the Auditory Illusions assignment. So this one we're going to be taking a song that's fairly vocal heavy, turning it into a MIDI file, and seeing how that comes out when we plug it through MIDI trails, which is going to give us a nice visual representation of the song being played via piano. So let's get started. So first things first, let's go to song. So I use Free Music Archive. I found this one, Sober Taxi by Greg Atkinson. This one's a British folk song, so it's about again knowing people better on a taxi. So I figured it'd fit well in my narrative. So let's go ahead and download this. Alright, so we've got that downloaded. Next step. I'll go ahead and get this out of the way now. The bulk of this assignment is figuring out what song to use, figuring out how to get everything converted, how to get it in. That was the bulk of it. Alright, so now we're going to go over to Bear File Converter right here. Really useful converter. So to start, I'm going to upload this file we just downloaded. This converter does it to MIDI, which is really important. I wasn't able to find a desktop client for Mac that did that when I was hunting around. But I was pointed onto this one by a 10 Best Audio Converters webpage. Good Google search. Also, something to note, Auditory Illusions, when you go to the MIDI trails, so MIDI trail is really only for PC, I can tell, but there's a version of it for Mac. So this is what I ended up downloading and using. So we'll be getting to that in a little bit. Alright, so our upload file is uploaded. So we'll go ahead and do convert. Alright, so now we've got our file. So now let's go ahead and download this. I've got it downloaded. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to open up this program here, MIDI Trail. So anyway, open. Three, the MIDI file version. Open. So we've got that. I'll press space bar. It's going to start playing. Now, as you can see, that's not a very interesting looking video of it, so we're going to change that. So what we want to do is, start this up earlier, take some screenshots of the instructions it shows the first time you run it. Put those up over here. So here are some of the instructions available to us. around, change it up a little bit. So first things first, you can click and drag. Changes your perspective a bit. You can also use the different arrow keys. Not arrow keys per se, but zoom in, zoom out, kind of go this way. Rotate. I thought was pretty neat. Click and drag, turn that perspective a little bit. Rotate this let's go down a little bit. There we go. So now we've got something a little more interesting. It's a little bit hazy. Anyway, really, when you do this, you want to take and turn it before you start playing it. Otherwise, it will end up going all the way back to the end. So if we want to do stop, it should be entered. I think it doesn't work quite as well as it's supposed to on my computer. I don't know if there's some compatibility issues. But anyway, that's how you do it. Take it, get a file, convert it, put it into MIDI trails, tweak it around a little bit. It's a good time. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. So till the next time. Oh, actually, now that I remember, really we need to get the audio out of this too. So when I did this earlier, I went ahead and took a capture video of my little video that it came up with. So once I got that, what you'll want to do after you've done a screen capture, and you can use QuickTime or anything like that for getting a screen capture video. That's not too bad. But what you want to do is you want to open up VLC player. What you do is go to File, Convert Stream. So we want to pick. So I already had it done. So I did a SoberText driver.mp4. Open that up. I'm going to save. I want to change this to audio MP3. Well, I'll just get the audio from it. Do save as file. I'll just do that once while we're going to do it again. So we're going to call it Sober Taxi Sound MP3. Save. Save. Just disregard that message. Doing that because I had already recorded it once. Alright, so now go here. We've got a file. Tell it to play. Oof, very grating sound to me personally. But anyway, that's what we want to come up with. So now we're done. You've got your video, taken it and converted it into an MP3 as well. Anyway, till next time, bye.